Video, we're going to look at how to find surface area of cones and spheres. So this is a picture of a cone. The base is always circular for a cone, and then it has this curved kind of wraparound surface, but it meets at a vertex. The slant height, we use the variable L, but it is this height from the vertex to the outside of the base. Length from vertex to outside of base, okay? Where the actual height must be perpendicular and go right to the midpoint or the center of the circle. Okay, so the lateral area of a right cone is pi r L. And again, that's the lateral area, okay? So this is the radius. L is, again, the slant height. Okay, surface area is then going to be the lateral area plus the base is equal to the surface area. So the lateral area is this. So pi r L plus, and then the base of a cone is a circle, which is pi r squared. Okay, so this is the same here. Okay, so now for a sphere or hemisphere, a sphere is 4 pi r squared. So surface area, 4 pi r squared for a sphere. So a hemisphere you might think is just half of that, but it also has this circular base, so it is 2 plus another circle. So the surface area of a hemisphere is actually 3 pi r squared. Okay, and then these formulas, you guys already know. We know area of a circle is pi r squared. Circumference is equal to the diameter times pi, or 2 pi r. And then Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and that I can use on right triangles. Okay, so let's do some examples. Okay, so find the lateral area and the surface area of a cone with a radius of 5 and a height of 12. Okay, so for the lateral area, remember this is pi r L. So right now I know r is 5, but L is this length right here. We don't know that. So I'm going to find L. So this is a right triangle where L is the hypotenuse. So I can do Pythagorean theorem. So I've got 25 plus 144 equals L squared. So 169 is L squared. Square root of 169 is 13. So our slant height is 13. So then our lateral area is pi times r times L. 5 times 13 is 65. We're going to leave this in terms of pi. And then it's feet, so square feet. Okay, surface area, remember, is the lateral area plus the base. So the lateral area is this. The base is pi r squared. The base is a circle, so pi times 5 squared. Okay, this is 25 pi. So I can add those together because they both have pi, and let's see, we get 90 pi. So the surface area is 90 pi square feet. Okay. Okay, so continuing on, you guys, there is a typo there. It should just say, let's say with this is kind of confusing, this base area. What they kind of want us to do here is the base area is a circle, and then this is kind of irrelevant. So we have a circle whose area is 81 pi square centimeters. So for a circle, I know that pi r squared equals that. So if I want to find r, because I'm going to need r to be able to find the surface area of the sphere. So if I divide both sides by pi, I get r squared equals 81. So that means r would have had to been 9 because the square root of 81 is 9. So for the surface area of a sphere, remember it's 4 pi r squared. So I now know r is 9. So we have 4 times pi times 9 squared. We have to do the exponent first. So I get 4 pi times 81. I can go ahead and do 4 times 81. I think it's 324. Let's check that. And we get 324 pi and then square centimeters. Okay. This says find the surface of a hemisphere with circumference of 6 pi. So the hemisphere surface area is 3 pi r squared. So I need to find r. So this is circumference. Remember, circumference is the diameter times pi. So if I know 6 pi equals diameter times pi, to get diameter, we would get just 6 if I divide each of those by pi. So then if the diameter is 6, divide by 2 to get 3 for the radius. Okay, so now I can plug in 3 here. So we've got 3 times pi times 3 squared. So I get 3 pi times 9. Again, 3 times 9 is 27, and we can leave the pi there. So we have in inches, so this is going to be square inches for the surface area of that hemisphere. Okay, guys, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching.